Black diamonds, especially Carbonado diamonds, are among the most mysterious and rare gemstones in the world. Unlike traditional diamonds, they have a unique structure, porous texture, and deep black color that makes them both fascinating and difficult to identify. If you found or purchased a black stone and want to know if it's real, this guide will walk you through practical home tests you can perform safely. What is a black diamond, Carbonado? A black diamond, often called carbonado, is a polycrystalline diamond made up of many small diamond crystals bonded together. It is typically found in regions like Brazil and Central Africa. Its appearance is opaque, rough, and sometimes resembles charcoal or volcanic rock. 1. Visual inspection test. Start with a simple observation. Real black diamonds are not perfectly smooth or shiny. They often have a rough, porous surface. The color is usually deep black or dark gray, not glassy or reflective. Fake stones, like black glass or cubic zirconia, tend to look too smooth, too shiny, and uniform. Number 2, light reflection test. Hold the stone under a strong light. Real black diamonds do not reflect rainbow colors strongly. They absorb most of the light due to their dense structure. If your stone reflects bright rainbow colors like a prism, it may not be a real Carbonado diamond. Number 3, water density test. Fill a glass with water and drop the stone inside. Real diamonds are very dense, so they will sink quickly to the bottom. Fake stones may float or sink slowly. Note, some fake stones also sink, so this test alone is not enough. 4. Heat resistance test. Careful. Diamonds are extremely resistant to heat. Heat the stone slightly, do not overdo it, then drop it in cold water. A real diamond should not crack or break. Be cautious, this test can damage fake stones or even some real stones if done incorrectly. 5. Magnet test. Carbonado diamonds sometimes contain traces of iron. Use a strong magnet. If the stone shows slight magnetic reaction, it could be a real Carbonado. Most fake stones will show no reaction at all. 6. Fog test. Breathe on the stone like you would on a mirror. Real diamonds disperse heat quickly, so the fog disappears instantly. Fake stones will stay foggy for a few seconds. Scratch test with caution. Diamonds are the hardest natural material. Try scratching glass with the stone. A real diamond should scratch glass easily. Warning, this test can damage surfaces and is not 100% reliable. Knack 8, weight comparison. Black diamonds are heavier than many fake stones. Compare with a similar sized stone. A real diamond will usually feel slightly heavier. Important tips. No single home test is 100% conclusive. Combine multiple tests for better accuracy. Avoid destructive methods if the stone is valuable. For final confirmation, consult a professional gemologist. Conclusion. Identifying a real black diamond at home is possible if you use a combination of visual inspection and simple physical tests. Pay attention to texture, light behavior, density, and heat resistance.